beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain! How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it struggles and gushes out from the throat of the overflow spout. Across the window pane it pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. Hots. Do you know, in India maximum rainfall is measured in Mysurnam. Where is this place located? From the poem, there are some words that describe sounds. They even seem to make the sound they describe. For example, buzz, a bee buzzes. Crackle, the fire crackles. Match the actions with the sound words they make. A small bell being ring, tinkle. A balloon being burst, pop. A gun being fired, bang. Someone eating chips, crunch. A light being switched on, click. A dog when it is angry, growl. A glass falling on the floor, smash. Fill in the blanks using the sound words from above questions in their correct forms. The tinkle of the tiny bell woke the baby. Raghav bit into the apple with a crunch. Lata dropped the flower vase and it was smashed to pieces. The balloon burst with a loud pop. Our dog began to growl when he heard a noise outside. The photographer clicked the camera. Do it yourself. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Why does the poet find the rain beautiful? The poet finds rain beautiful because it comes after dust and heat. What is the sound of the rain compared to? The sound of rain is compared to the tramp of roofs. Which two words does the poet use to describe the rain? Beautiful, clatters, tramp of roofs, struggles and gushed out, pours and river. The rain is compared to a river because rainwater forms a broad and struggles down the roofs. Why does the poet say the rain is welcome? The poet says welcome rain because it loves the rain and finds it beautiful. Let's know words. Make groups of 5. Each of you will write a word related to rain in the web chart. Compare your web chart with those of the other groups. Let's learn grammar. You have learned that we use will plus verb to talk or write about the future. Now read the given sentences. It is going to rain. The roof is going to leak during the monsoon. The highlighted words is going to also show that the action will take place in the future. Choose the correct verb from the box and fill in the blanks. I am going to watch television after dinner. There is an auto strike today. I am going to ride my bike to work. I am very hungry. I am going to make some sandwiches. Do you want to buy these books? I am going to sell them. I have sold off my car. I am going to buy a new car now. You have learned that adverbs add to the meaning of verbs. Read the given sentences. It rained heavily last night. He speaks loudly. Now use the adverbs in the box to fill in the blanks. The girl danced gracefully. The nurse cleaned the wound carefully. The soldiers fought bravely. The baby wailed loudly. The girl spoke softly. Hearing the police sirens, the thieves escaped quietly.